How to open WeChat account without scanning QR code. Let's get started. First of all, launch the WeChat application. If you don't have that, install it from Google Play Store. Once you get to this interface, now tap on login button. Now under this page, navigate at the bottom of this interface, then tap on more option. From this drop down box, tap on help center. Now under this help center, you have to tap on send feedback. Now in this space, first of all, you have to choose the platform. Tap on this drop down box and select your device. And in the next section, there is a reason, tap on it. Now you have to select your country, or you can simply type in. Under that, you have to select the categories. Tap on the drop down box, and from here select account registration. And then again tap on next drop down box, and again from here also tap on account registration. Under that, there is a description box where you can describe your issue, saying that you want to sign up in WeChat without scanning QR code, so you need help with that, and you can request them to help as soon as possible. Under that, there is a link that says upload screenshot. There you can simply upload any screenshot if you have some. Under that, there is a section that asks you to enter your registration mobile number. Here type in your mobile number, and in the next section type in your email. Once you're done, tap on this agreement button or this checkbox. After that, tap on submit. Once you submit, now this request has been submitted to WeChat Help Center. WeChat Help Center will go through your request and will get back to you to help you open WeChat account without scanning QR code. But for that, you have to wait 24 to 2 to 3 business days to get a reply from WeChat. So this is the way to open WeChat account without scanning QR code, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.